Hi everybody, today I want to show you this Divoom Ditoo Plus. It comes in this nice gift bag, so if you want to give it for a present or something. And this is a really nice case. I heard a lot of people refer it as a retro fridge. Yeah. Has a rubber handle, very nice. Then you open it up right here on the side. It has this button and it pops open, and there's the case. And right here I'm showing different color ones that they come in, and then you have it out like this, and it looks just like a retro computer, you know, one from the original set of computers. It has nice keypads right here and key buttons and a lever. You connect it right here. It has a USB-C cable for charging. It has a slot for a USD card and the power button. Now if I turn it on so you can hear it, it's also a speaker, so you can play music from either the USD card or from your phone. As you saw right there, it is Bluetooth compatible. So again, I'm gonna control it from my phone. You just download the app and you can do a lot of different things. And so right now from my phone, I'm gonna show you the different ways that you can set up your time like that. And you can set up the weather right here. Let's see, and it will cycle through the temperature. You can set it up on Fahrenheit and or centigrade. It gives you the date, and also gives you a little picture of like a mountain scene where you can have clouds or sunny or rain. It will show you what the weather is outside. And also you can customize, there you go, for like Valentine's Day or birthdays or anything like that. You can set it up. It has 3 different lists where you can put 12 different set of whether it's images or animation. So for example, this one right there, I have it set up with 5 of them, and then I'm gonna set up this one. I also have it up with set up with 5, just different animation with different random colors, and you can choose from hundreds of them. And there's a whole community of people that are making this images. They make characters, they make let me see if I can show you, they make emojis, and you just select the ones you want and it will automatically download it in here. It has a ton of different features. I had it already for like 4 days. I was trying to learn some of those features so I can talk to you guys about it, but there's so many really that I couldn't really get to all of them. You can get alerts on here from your text messages, from your phone call. If you have it, like your cell phone is on vibrating, for if you have it in the office or something like that, it will alert you. It will say here that you're getting a call, a text, message from Facebook, from Twitter, from Snapchat, or any of those, WhatsApp. And we'll play music, like I said, from either your phone or from an USD card. And I mean, it has a lot of different things. You can play video games. You can also design stuff in here, and then it will show on the screen. What else? It has these different features right here. For example, if I want to get a character right there that is talking, faces, and the metrics view, or you know, anything like that. Michael Jackson dancing there. I have different things. You can choose the colors that you want. For example, you know, this color right there, I can choose you know, there you go, different colors. Choose it right there. Blue, again the clock, different types of clocks that you want to set up. It is amazing. There is a whole community in here that they just exchange You can be friends with them, so you can get likes on your designs. You can chat with those people aside from your regular contacts. It is everything and anything on one. And again, it's the whole retro look, little computer, the actual keyboards. It has the colors, as you can see, they're changed underneath the keypads. So you know, it's a RGB colors and they keep changing. You know, the speaker is really nice. It's nothing to be compared to your home speakers, but it's loud enough. It's also an alarm clock, so if you want to set it up by your bed, again, you can set it up for an alarm. You can set it up to shut down at a specific time. There are hundreds of different possibilities, and I know that my kid is going to love it. And you know, my wife likes all the little gadgets too, so she's probably gonna be fighting with my daughter to keep it in her office. But I think that they are really nice, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I know they will.